If you're over 60 and your vision feels weaker, this is your wake-up call. Maybe reading feels harder. Maybe night driving has become uncomfortable. Or perhaps your eyes feel dry, strained, and tired after just an hour of watching TV or looking at your phone. These aren't just random annoyances. They're signs that your retina is deteriorating, quietly, gradually, but inevitably. And here's why that matters. The retina is like the film in a camera. It captures light and sends the image to your brain. Without a healthy retina, your world starts to blur, darken, and fragment. Worse yet, damage to the retina often progresses silently. By the time symptoms get noticeable, some of the harm might already be permanent. But here's the truth no one tells you. You don't have to accept this decline as just aging. Because your retina can be nourished, protected, and even revitalized, naturally, with the help of one of the most powerful yet overlooked foods: blackcurrant seeds. Most people know blackcurrants as dark, tangy berries. But what few realize is that the seeds inside those berries contain a concentrated form of anthocyanins, the same pigment that gives the berry its deep purple color. Anthocyanins aren't just for color. They are antioxidants with a unique ability to enhance blood flow, especially in microcapillaries like those in your eyes. And this is critical, because one of the key reasons our vision deteriorates with age is poor blood circulation to the retina. Without enough blood, your eyes can't get the oxygen and nutrients they need. The result: visual fatigue, poor night vision, increased floaters, and a slow progression toward macular degeneration. But research from Japan has shown that blackcurrant seed extract can improve retinal blood flow by up to 45%. That's nearly half more oxygen and nutrients reaching your fragile retinal cells, which can mean sharper vision, fewer floaters, and less strain when reading or driving. There's more. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism demonstrated that participants who consumed blackcurrant extract regularly reported improved night vision and less eye fatigue, especially important for seniors who struggle to see in dim light or suffer from screen exhaustion. And don't think you can get these benefits just by eating a handful of berries. The therapeutic effect comes from the seeds, or more specifically, the oil extracted from blackcurrant seeds. That's where the concentration of these vision-protecting anthocyanins and essential fatty acids is highest. If you're wondering how to actually use this to your advantage, keep listening. Because the way you consume blackcurrant seed oil, and what you combine it with, can make all the difference. Now that you know blackcurrant seed oil holds the key, let's get practical. First, how much should you take? The effective dose used in studies ranges from 300 to 600 milligrams of blackcurrant seed oil per day. This usually provides a potent amount of anthocyanins alongside gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an essential omega-6 fatty acid that also supports eye health. For most adults over 60, a daily supplement of 500 milligrams of high-quality blackcurrant seed oil strikes the right balance. That's typically 1 to 2 capsules, depending on the brand and concentration. But not all supplements are created equal. You want a product that is cold-pressed to preserve the delicate anthocyanins and fatty acids. Avoid anything that lists proprietary blends without specific milligram amounts. Transparency is key. You can also find blackcurrant extract powders or concentrated juices, but these are usually less potent than the oil form when it comes to direct eye benefits. When should you take it? For best absorption, take blackcurrant seed oil with a meal that includes some healthy fat, like avocado, olive oil, or nuts. Fat helps the body absorb fat-soluble nutrients and enhances the bioavailability of the anthocyanins. But here's a bonus tip. To amplify the effect of blackcurrant on your eyes, combine it with omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. DHA is the main structural fat in the retina. It helps maintain the integrity of retinal cells and supports visual clarity. A 2020 study in Nutrients Journal found that combining anthocyanins with omega-3s synergistically reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in the retina. So here's a simple combo for optimal eye health after 60. 500 milligrams blackcurrant seed oil daily. A 1000 milligrams fish oil rich in DHA and EPA. Taken together with a meal that includes healthy fats. This creates a dual-action defense. A blackcurrant improves blood flow and antioxidant protection. Omega-3s nourish the retinal structure itself. And if you want to go one step further, add a source of vitamin E, like a small handful of almonds or sunflower seeds. Vitamin E works alongside fatty acids to stabilize cell membranes in the eyes. So, by following this simple routine, blackcurrant seed oil, omega-3s, a bit of vitamin E, you create a daily nutritional shield for your vision. But there's more you can do with food itself. Certain fruits, vegetables, and seeds enhance the impact of blackcurrant even further, because they work on different pathways of eye health. Let's break those down next. If you want to multiply the benefits of blackcurrant seed oil for your vision, pairing it with the right foods is essential. Your eyes don't rely on a single nutrient. They thrive when supported by a spectrum of antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats. Let's start with the most powerful food allies for your eyesight. 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that accumulate in the retina and act as natural filters for harmful blue light. Blue light, which comes from screens and LED lighting, contributes to retinal stress and degeneration. Consuming just 1 cup of cooked spinach or kale daily can increase macular pigment density, which helps preserve central vision and prevent age-related macular degeneration. 2. Egg yolks. Egg yolks contain bioavailable lutein and zeaxanthin, plus choline, which supports nerve function, including the optic nerve. Unlike plant sources, the fats in the yolk improve nutrient absorption. Adding 1 to 2 eggs per day, preferably soft-boiled or poached to preserve nutrients, is a smart and easy strategy. 3. Orange and red bell peppers. These vegetables are loaded with vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help reduce oxidative damage to eye tissues. Vitamin C also supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of blood vessels in the eyes. Half a cup of raw bell pepper provides over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. 4. Berries, especially blueberries and goji berries. While blackcurrant seeds target blood flow, blueberries and goji berries add extra anthocyanins and unique antioxidants like zeaxanthin. In fact, goji berries have one of the highest concentrations of zeaxanthin among all foods. Consuming a small handful of these berries daily, whether fresh or dried, can complement the action of blackcurrant seed oil and provide further protection against oxidative stress. 5. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, chia, and flaxseed. Walnuts and chia seeds offer alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3, while flax seeds provide lignans, compounds that reduce inflammation. Combining these with blackcurrant oil enhances overall anti-inflammatory effects, protecting not only your retina but also the blood vessels feeding it. A daily serving of 1 ounce of walnuts or a tablespoon of chia seeds is sufficient. The synergistic meal. Imagine starting your morning with a soft-boiled egg sprinkled with flaxseed, a spinach and kale salad with slices of red bell pepper, a side of blueberries or goji berries, the supplement of blackcurrant seed oil and fish oil with your meal. This kind of nutrition provides your eyes with everything they need: antioxidants, healthy fats, carotenoids, and anti-inflammatory compounds, creating a powerful synergy that supports long-term visual health. But beyond food, certain lifestyle habits can either protect or accelerate vision loss. And that's where many people make mistakes. Let's look at those next, so you can avoid them. Even with the best nutrition, your eyes can still suffer if you're unknowingly sabotaging them through daily habits. Let's uncover the most common behaviors that silently damage your vision, and what to do instead. 1. Too much screen time without breaks. Staring at screens for extended periods, whether it's your phone, tablet, or TV, reduces blinking by nearly 60%. Less blinking leads to dry eyes, irritation, and even blurred vision. The fix. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This relaxes the eye muscles and replenishes moisture. 2. Poor lighting. Reading or working in dim light forces your eyes to strain, leading to headaches and accelerated fatigue. But bright, harsh lighting isn't better. It can cause glare and discomfort, especially as your eyes age. Aim for soft, indirect lighting when reading, and always adjust screen brightness to match your environment. 3. Skipping sunglasses. UV rays don't just damage your skin, they can also harm your retina and increase the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. But many seniors skip wearing sunglasses, especially on cloudy days, mistakenly thinking UV exposure is minimal. Choose polarized sunglasses with 100% UV protection whenever you're outdoors, even when it's overcast. 4. High blood sugar levels. Diabetes and even prediabetes accelerate a condition called diabetic retinopathy, where blood vessels in the retina leak or become blocked. You don't have to be diabetic to experience this risk. Even mild insulin resistance can harm your vision over time. Keeping blood sugar stable by avoiding refined carbs and sugars, and focusing on whole foods, helps protect your eyes. 5. Smoking or exposure to smoke. Smoking reduces blood flow to the eyes, increases oxidative stress, and doubles the risk of macular degeneration. Even secondhand smoke can have a similar, though lesser, impact. Quitting smoking or minimizing exposure is one of the fastest ways to safeguard your eye health. 6. Poor sleep. Lack of sleep impairs the body's ability to repair damaged cells, including those in the retina. Studies have shown that less than 6 hours of sleep per night correlates with higher rates of eye strain and dry eye syndrome. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to give your eyes time to recover. By eliminating these habits, you give your nutrition, like blackcurrant seed oil and all the other foods we've discussed, a chance to work effectively. But what if you want to go further? There's a simple daily habit that can strengthen your eyesight naturally, and most people ignore it. If you want to reinforce everything you're doing with nutrition and avoid the common traps that age your eyes, there's one simple practice that makes a significant difference. Eye exercises. You train your body with movement. Why not your eyes? The muscles around your eyes, like the ciliary muscles, control focus. Over time, especially with age and screen use, these muscles weaken. But targeted exercises can improve focus flexibility, enhance blood circulation, and reduce fatigue. Here's a quick 5-minute daily routine anyone over 60 can do. 1. Palming. Rub your hands together to create warmth, then gently cup them over your closed eyes without pressure. Sit quietly for 1 to 2 minutes. This relaxes the eye muscles and relieves tension. 2. Near and far focus. Hold your thumb about 10 inches from your face. Focus on it for 10 seconds. Then shift your focus to something 20+ feet away for another 10 seconds. Repeat this 5 times. It trains the eyes to adjust between distances, improving flexibility. 3. Eye rolling. Slowly roll your eyes clockwise 10 times, then counterclockwise 10 times. This stimulates blood flow around the eyes and strengthens supporting muscles. 4. Figure 8. Visualize a giant figure 8 lying on its side about 10 feet in front of you. Slowly trace the shape with your eyes, first in one direction for 30 seconds, then the other. These simple exercises improve eye mobility, relieve strain, and encourage nutrient-rich blood flow to your retina, complementing the effects of blackcurrant seed oil, omega-3s, and the nutrient-rich foods we discussed. Bonus habit: stay hydrated. Your eyes are 98% water. Even mild dehydration can cause dryness, irritation, and blurred vision. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, and include hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. And one more thing: blue light filters. Install a blue light filter on your devices, or wear blue light blocking glasses, especially in the evening. This reduces oxidative stress on the retina and supports your natural melatonin production for better sleep, which, as we mentioned, is crucial for eye repair. By incorporating these daily habits, you're not just passively protecting your vision, you're actively enhancing it. But the final piece of the puzzle is mindset, how we approach aging and vision health itself. Let's close with the philosophy that ties all of this together. We've been taught that as we age, decline is inevitable, that blurry vision, poor night sight, and degenerating eyes are just part of getting older. But that's simply not true. Your body, including your eyes, is designed to repair itself, given the right inputs. Nutrition, habits, and daily actions can either accelerate damage or promote renewal. When you nourish your eyes with a blackcurrant seed oil to boost blood flow and antioxidants, are omega-3s rich in DHA to strengthen retinal cells, a lutein and zeaxanthin from greens and eggs to filter harmful light, a vitamin C and beta-carotene from peppers and berries to combat oxidative stress. And when you move your eyes, protect them from screens and UV light, stay hydrated, and sleep well, you create a system of support that your vision needs to thrive. This isn't about a miracle cure or quick fix. It's about respecting your body's design, giving it the resources to maintain sharp, healthy sight even after 60, 70, or beyond. And here's what I want you to remember. The clearer you see the world, the more fully you live in it. Protecting your eyes means protecting your independence, your joy in reading, driving, seeing your loved ones' faces, and simply feeling confident in your day-to-day life. So why not start today? Heavy checkmark, add blackcurrant seed oil to your routine. Heavy checkmark, pair it with omega-3s, vibrant vegetables, and simple eye exercises. Heavy checkmark, ditch the habits that harm your sight. Because your eyes deserve more than just glasses and prescriptions, they deserve a lifetime of strength, clarity, and vitality. Take the first step now. Your future self will thank you.